I'm not like the rest of you. I didn't grow up here. I don't have fairy parents. I've done magic once in my life.
Shocker, a fairy called Terra likes plants. It's a family thing. I've got this cousin called Flora, and my mum's called Rose, and my dad works in the greenhouse here. That's why I know a load of the second years. I grew up around our theatre. This here, it's new for me. I just want it to go well.
People expect me to care how I look. People expect me to care how I look. And I'm an empath. I can feel everything that you feel. I'm looking for the shit they don't teach. The secrets.
Literally, I can bore through stone or dirt, anything natural.
I'm not meant to do it at school, but it shaves like 3 minutes off my commute between classes.
First piece of advice is choose your friends carefully this year.